are working around the clock to help get to people who need it. Sam Tejada is a former paramedic and firefighter and joins us this morning. Sam, good morning. You know, based on your experience, tell us what it's like to be in your shoes. What is it like for first responders in the first days and weeks following a major weather event like this one?
Yes, good morning. So, you know, as a former firefighter paramedic, 12 years here in South Florida, where we get hit by hurricanes all the time, you know, these first responders are working day and night. You know, these are regular human beings just like you and I that we get tired, right? So, but they're putting their lives on the line. You know, a lot of different resources have been activated. It's not just your local municipalities, but you have a lot of first responders that are coming from all over the state. Like here in South Florida, we have the urban search and rescue teams, Task Force 1, Task Force 2. So people are coming from all over the state and even out of the state to help with these rescue efforts.
And when you speak about all the volunteers who are coming in addition to the neighbors who are on the ground trying to help each other, how do you prioritize who needs help first, beyond the obvious people in peril? But how do you prioritize getting to those layers of people?
Yeah, so, you know, the professionals that are going to the scene, these individuals are highly trained to triage, you know, where these calls are coming from or anyone who's reporting, you know, life-threatening injuries. And it's very important for the people to know that that are out there. Yes, everyone's going through this catastrophic moment, but the first responders, when you're calling 911, there's an overload of phone calls coming in and people wanting help. But people have to remember that if it's something that doesn't seem to be life-threatening, they probably won't get help soon, because the individuals that really need it, those are the ones that they're going to go after.
Yes, Sam Tejada, thank you for that perspective. You know, it is a tireless but a very a job that we are also incredibly grateful for. Yes. So we thank you for your service and perspective this morning.
Thank you.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Well,